Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best baking set is probably one of the most exciting journeys for anyone who loves to create delicious treats. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to refresh your skills, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into a fantastic beginner baking set, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the perfect starting point for your baking adventures. Number 5. Amazon Basic 6-Piece Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Introducing the Amazon Basic 6-Piece Non-Stick Bakeware Set. This set has everything you need for your baking needs. It's a great addition to any kitchen. This 6-piece set includes a loaf pan, 2 cake pans, a muffin pan, a roast pan, and a baking sheet. It provides all the essential tools for various baking tasks. You'll be able to create a wide array of baked goods. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and easy cleaning. You won't have to struggle with stuck-on food. Cleaning up is a breeze with this set. Made with heavyweight steel construction, it provides thorough and even heating. This ensures your baked goods cook uniformly. You'll get perfect results every time. This bakeware set is oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed to withstand high temperatures. It's perfect for all your baking recipes. For best results, hand-wash this bakeware set. It's easy to maintain and keep in great condition. This will help extend the life of the product. What we like. This set includes all the essential pans you need for various baking projects. The non-stick coating makes releasing your baked goods and cleaning up a breeze. The even heating ensures your cakes and cookies bake perfectly every time. If you're just starting out and want a versatile set to cover all your basic baking needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The set includes all the necessary tools for baking. The measuring cups and spoons are accurate. The included recipes are easy to follow. Number 4. RFAQK Cake Decorating Kit with Turntable. Tired of basic cakes? This kit has everything you need to decorate like a pro. It includes a turntable, various icing tips, and all the tools to get you started. This comprehensive set includes a cake stand, multiple icing tips, spatulas, and more. It's designed for both beginners and professionals, providing all the essentials for beautiful cake creations. The turntable rotates smoothly, making it easy to decorate cakes. It's perfect for creating intricate designs and is suitable for both right and left-handed users. The non-stick surface is also easy to clean. The kit features a wide selection of icing tips to create various decorations. You'll find round tips, leaf tips, petal tips, and more, allowing you to make swirls, rosettes, and flowers with ease. Use the scrapers to smooth the icing and the spatulas for precise application. The couplers allow you to change tips quickly, and the cleaning brush keeps everything tidy. There is also a flower nail and lifter for creating beautiful flowers. Don't know where to start? An ebook is included to guide you through the process. If you have any questions, customer service is available 24/7 to help you get the most out of this kit. What we like. This kit provides a wide array of tools, including a rotating turntable, to help you create professional-looking cakes. You'll find everything from various icing tips to spatulas and levelers. It also comes with a helpful ebook to guide you. If you're eager to learn cake decorating and want a comprehensive set to get you started, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Very good for beginners. It comes with everything you need to get started baking. Its price also very affordable. Everything is made of good quality materials, and what I liked most is that it has a little book with illustrations that show you how it looks. Everything is good quality, lots of different styles, decorating tips to choose from. I did a sweet 16 birthday cake this past weekend and this had pretty much everything I needed to decorate the cake with. This kit made baking fun. This kit has everything a beginner needs to be successful in cake decorating, and the kit is inexpensive. I felt a little intimidated by all the piping tips, but the information handbook was incredibly informative. I loved all the pictures explaining what each tip did in the handbook. Number 3. GirlZone Kids Baking Set 40-Piece. Introducing the GirlZone Little Baker's Bakery Set, perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. This set allows her to become a master chef and create delicious treats while having fun in the kitchen. This kids' baking set is packed with all the essentials to make funfetti cupcakes and more. It's a great way to bond over baking and let her creativity shine with every sweet creation. Let your kid rock a pink apron and tools that make them feel like a pro as they explore the world of baking. This set helps them look the part and dive into the fun of real kitchen adventures. Surprise your little girl with this ultimate kids bake set, ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. Packed with tools and accessories, it's a great way to encourage budding chefs and spark culinary dreams. Get ready for hours of entertainment with this baking kit, perfect for playdates or quiet afternoons. With tools like a whisk and cookie cutters, she can explore and learn through interactive kitchen play. What we like. This set is designed specifically for kids, with a fun and colorful design. It includes an apron and tools that make them feel like a pro. If your little one loves to bake or you're looking for a fun activity to do together, this set will spark their creativity and make them feel like a real baker. What people say. The set includes all the essential tools needed for baking. The measuring cups and spoons are accurate. The silicone spatulas are heat-resistant and easy to clean. Number 2. DEORFGO Sourdough Starter Kit for Bread Making. This kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. It includes everything you need to create delicious, homemade sourdough bread. With this, you'll be baking like a pro in no time. Inside, you'll find oval and round proofing baskets with linen cloths, a starter jar, a silicone bread sling, a bread lame, and more. It has all the essential tools to get you started on your bread making journey. This kit has got you covered. The proofing baskets are made of natural rattan, ensuring no bleaching or chemical odors. They are handmade and designed to help you create beautifully shaped loaves. The natural materials make it a safe and reliable choice. Cleaning is a breeze, simply shake off excess flour or use the silicone brush. The smooth surface of the baskets makes it easy to maintain. This makes your baking experience more enjoyable. The silicone bread sling is non-stick and non-slip, making it safe to transfer dough. It's heat-resistant and can be used for various baking needs. It is a versatile tool for any baker. This kit comes in a beautifully designed box, making it an ideal gift. It's perfect for Christmas, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Give the gift of homemade bread. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start making delicious sourdough bread, including a starter jar and proofing baskets. The natural rattan baskets are designed to help your dough rise perfectly. If you're interested in making sourdough bread and want a complete set of tools, this is a great option for you. What people say. The set includes all the essential tools needed for baking. The measuring cups and spoons are accurate. The silicone spatulas are heat-resistant and easy to clean. Number 1. RORECAY 9-inch and 10-inch bread proofing basket set. Introducing the RORECAY bread proofing basket set. This set is designed to help you create beautiful, artisan-style loaves at home. It includes everything you need to get started. These proofing baskets are made from natural rattan cane. This material is smooth, non-stick, and helps to wick moisture away from the dough. This improves the appearance of your bread. The set includes both a round and an oval basket, allowing you to bake loaves in different shapes. Each basket can hold up to 2 pounds of dough, perfect for making multiple loaves at once. Cleaning is a breeze. The smooth surface of the rattan cane makes it easy to remove excess flour. You can also use the included linen liner for even easier cleaning. This set is ideal for any recipe, including sourdough and yeast-based breads. After dusting, the dough will easily stay in shape and slip out smoothly onto the baking surface. It's suitable for both home bakers and professionals. The set comes with essential tools, including a dough whisk, bread lame, dough scraper, and silicone brush. These tools will help you mix the dough, score the bread, and manipulate the dough. What we like. This set includes both round and oval proofing baskets, allowing you to create different bread shapes. The natural rattan material helps wick moisture away for a perfect crust. It also comes with essential tools like a dough whisk and lame. If you like to experiment with different bread shapes and want a high-quality set, this is a great choice. What people say. The set includes all the necessary tools for baking. The measuring cups and spoons are accurate. The included recipes are easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.